In this video, I will show you how to start a Zoom meeting on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install Zoom app on your Android phone. After a successful download and install Zoom app, go ahead and click on here and open up the Zoom just like so. And it's going to take you to the home page right here after a successful download and install your Zoom app. Next thing you want to do right here is to see how you can start a meeting. You can simply click on these three dots from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on meet with my ID persona. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on start meeting right here. And it's going to take you right here. And then here, you can decide to appear by turn on this particular icon. This will enable your video camera, and then it show your face right here. If you don't want your face to show in the meeting, just tap on here again to disable your camera. If you would like to use microphone, then make sure this is just enabled this way. Do not click on it. If you click on it, it's going to disable your camera, your microphone. Just make sure you enable mic. And the next thing you want to do right is go ahead and click on start right here. Then go ahead and click on allow. Click on allow. Boom. And you are here in your Zoom meeting environment right here. Then you can do some simple settings right here, such as start video or mute mic. Click on mute mic right here. Please allow Zoom workspace to got permission. Go ahead and click on got it. Click on allow.